So let's just see how we can delete the entire singly linked list. So here in the linked list we have 3 nodes. So let's just see how we can delete all the nodes from the linked list. Now you might be thinking we just simply assign null to the head and we return the head. But that is not the right approach. So if we do that, we are going to lose the link to the entire linked list, and not only that, we will not be able to free the memory allocated by all the nodes. Because of this, we are gonna have memory leaks. Now to prevent this memory leak, we must visit all the nodes and free their memory, and then we can return the head. But before that, we have to make sure that we visit all of them and free their memory to prevent any kind of memory leak. Now the approach is that we're gonna use one loop. So we're gonna use the while loop. We're gonna use 2 pointers. So we need another temporary pointer. The pointer will also point to the head. Now inside the loop, first of all, we're gonna move the temporary pointer to the head node, and then we're gonna move the head pointer to head arrow link. That means we're gonna move the head pointer to point to the next node, and after that we're gonna free the memory that is allocated by the temporary pointer. So in every iteration, first of all, we're gonna move the temporary to the head, then we're gonna move our head to the next node, and then we're gonna free the memory allocated by this temporary pointer. So that means the memory allocated by this node will be removed, and then again we're gonna repeat this process. Again we're gonna move this temporary pointer to the head, then we're gonna move the head to the next node, and then again we're gonna free the temporary. That means the memory allocated by this node will be freed up, and again we're gonna repeat the process. The temporary will be moved to the head node, the head will point to head link, that means it will point to null, and then again we're gonna free the memory. So now our head node is pointing to null, and you can see the entire linked list is deleted, and also their memories are also freed up. So here you can see we have the linked list with 3 nodes, 100, 200 and 300. So here we're gonna write the function to delete the entire linked list. So the function will return struct node type pointer. We're gonna call the function delete list. So it will take the struct node type pointer head, and here inside first of all we're gonna create one temporary pointer, and now we're gonna use the while loop. So we're gonna run this while loop as long as the head is not equal null. Now inside the while loop we're going to repeat this process. So we're gonna continue to move these pointers, and we're gonna free the memory allocated by these nodes. So let's just do that. So first of all we're gonna move the temporary pointer to head, and then we're gonna move the head pointer to head arrow link, and then we're gonna free the memory that is allocated by the temporary pointer node, and this way we're gonna repeat this process until the end of the list. So at the end of the list we're just going to simply return the head, which will become null after removing all the nodes from the linked list. So first of all we're gonna print the linked list. So you can see currently we have 3 nodes in the linked list. So let's now call the function delete list, and we're gonna pass the head node. So this will return the new head node after removing all the nodes from the linked list. So now if we print the linked list again, so this was the linked list before the removal. So after deleting all the nodes we are left with null. So we have removed all the nodes from the linked list. So this is the way we can delete all the nodes from the singly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.